Welcome back to Mathematics by AC Okocha. Today we have an expression, a quadratic expression that we want to factorize. Now, we want to factorize this equation. Let's go straight to it. Now, don't be tempted to multiply through with 35, because I had one of my students saying multiply through by 35. You multiply this one by 35, multiply this one by 35, multiply this one by 35. You know, if you do that, they are no longer the same. The reason is because this is an expression, this is not an equation. There is no equal to here. Assuming this is equals to a square, then if you multiply through by 35, because what happened to the left hand side also took place in the right hand side, therefore it is balanced, it's correct. But this is an expression, so you can't multiply through by 35. That will not work. I get what I'm saying? So what are we going to do? We are going to factorize it just the way it is. If you notice, you will see that 35 is common. The denominator 35 is common, or rather the common denominator is 35 because there is no 35 here, and the numerator, you can say 1 is common. 1 is common between 1, 12s and s squared. So let's bring out the common factors. Let's factor it out. So we're going to bring out 1 over 35 outside. If you do that, what will remain inside? Here will remain 1. Here will remain plus 12x, while here will remain plus 35s squared. Let me explain this. This 1 over 35 times 1 will give you this. This 1 over 35 times 12s will give you 12s over 35. Now, when 1 over 35 times 35s squared, 35 will cancel 35, you are left with s squared. Because someone will be wondering, why did I attach 35 here? That is to enable us write this one like this, or s. If you don't attach 35 here, this 35 cannot come outside. But attaching 35 here, if you multiply it, the 35 will cancel the 35, you are left with s squared. But notice that I did not attach 30 or multiply these two with 35. So this time this will give you 1 over 35. 1 over 35 times 12s will give you 12 over 35x. So nothing has changed. But you will now realize that this one can easily be what? Factorized. So we'll look for two numbers we will add to give us 35. Add to give us 12, times to give us 35. We have done factorization. You should know that by now. So the two numbers is going to be, it will be 5 and 7, because 5 plus 7 is 12. 5 times 7 is 35. I get what I'm saying? So if you don't understand factorization, you can go and see the video we have done. I've treated factorization in detail. So here we have 1 over 35 bracket 1, this one here. Then this 12x, I will replace it with plus 5x plus 7x, then we have 35x squared. Nothing has changed. This one, look at it, 12x is this 2, 35x squared, look at it here. They will factorize in pairs. Just keep stepping this down. If you factorize in pairs, in this first pair, what is common? 1. What will remain? It will remain 1 plus 5x. In this second pair, what is common? 7x, obviously. What will remain? If 7x is out, here will remain 1 plus what? 5x. Remember that if we open this bracket, we must go back to this. 7s times 1, 7s. 7s times 5. 7s times 5s, 35x squared. So this and this is the same. Now we now have the 1 over 35 bracket. What is the common bracket here? Let's factor it out. That is 1 plus 5x. If you do that, what will remain? It will remain 1 plus 7x. That is it. We have succeeded in factorizing this expression. Are you following? So this is what you're expected to do. You don't need to change, bring s forward, bring this one back. No, you can factorize it just the way it is. And if you expand this bracket now, this is what you are going to get. Thank you, and see you in our next class. Kindly remember to share this video. Thank you.